Well, today I'm going to try something new. New for me. It may not be new on the tube, but it is new for me. And that's bacon wrapped cornbread. Sounds like something that might be good. And like any good recipe, it starts out with bacon. Just some cheap, thin bacon will work. We're going to do the old bacon weave. Bacon weaves are easy. Kind of look what I'm doing here. Or go out and buy you one of them lawn chairs that was popular in the 70s and 80s. And check them out. And just follow the pattern on them. That's it. Get it weaved up. Give it a little pat. We got to get it into a skillet. And make sure you grease your skillet up pretty good. I'm using a 10.5-inch skillet. That worked out perfect for the amount of bacon I had. Get her flipped over in there. Formed to the sides of the pan and trimmed up. And that's what it should look like. A bacon bowl. What I want to do, I want to get this in the oven, a 420 degree oven, for about 10 minutes just to start that cooking process. During that time, let's make up our cornbread butter. That'll be 1 cup of cornmeal, about ½ cup self-rising flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and just to make it MOJO and add a little smoke element, let's put in about 1 teaspoon of smoked salt. Give her a quick stir. Get her wet ingredients together. That'll be 2 cackleberries and about 1 cup of good old buttermilk. That's it for the wet. Get her combined. It don't have to be smooth. Just give her a rough mix. Then we're going to add in a few more ingredients. Since it is cornbread, it needs corn. We're going to get us some cream style corn. This is a 14-ounce can, but I only want to add about 10 ounces. The reason being, I want to come in here with some Mexican corn. And what I'm going to use here is probably about 5-6 ounces of it. I'm going to give more a little texture. Now this is 4 ounces of green chilies. You can use jalapenos. I just didn't want to chop any up. And plus the jalapenos would give it a little more heat if you're looking for that Mexican heat cornbread. And 2 cups of cheese of your choice. My wife likes this Velveeta, but you could use pepper jack. After that 10 minutes, there's your bacon. Just leave that grease in the bottom because it is going to combine well with that cornbread batter. Get her leveled out. Let's put her back into that 420 degree oven for about 35 minutes. And here we go. Yep, that's hot. Remember, safety first when it comes to cooking. Put your glove on. Alrighty, 35 minutes later, here's what we got. Some nice golden brown cornbread. And to know if it's done, your stick comes out clean, or you're setting it around 195 to 200 degrees. Let's break loose these edges and get her flipped out. Oh, forgot. Give her a few little love taps just to ensure that it will come out clean. And voila! My love taps was not in the right spot. Dadgummit. See, we all mess up when it comes to cooking. Just clean your pan a little better or put some more oil in it. It didn't stick that bad. We can salvage it here. So let's get her laid back on here. I'm going to stick it back in the oven for about 5 minutes under the broiler. Just to crisp that bacon up just a tad. And there you have it. There is the finished product. And if I say so myself, it does look good. Alright, now for the taste up. We got to do that reveal shot. Here we go. Looking good. Look at all that cheesy goodness right there. I'll give you a little slow-mo shot right here. Me turning it around. That's it. Time for the taste test. Whoop, let's see. Oh, looky there. Got a little bounce back. Good moist. As far as flavor goes, this right here, my friend, is awesome. You got it. It's cornbread. You taste the corn. You got the little bit of that, just a tad bit of heat from them chilies. And that creamy cheese. Oh, can't forget the bacon and the bacon grease. This is it. You need to try it. This is a whole meal by itself. You ain't even got to have no sides. Alrighty, that's it. I hope you make this. Don't let life pass you by without bacon wrapped cornbread. MOJO is out.